Flooding from Tropical Storm Frank moving along the coast of southern Mexico on Tuesday, dumping rain as it went and leaving floodwaters in its path. During the past 2 days, schools have been shut down here. At least 15,000 families have been affected by Frank. Well, it's time now for the tropical updates.
And joining us now, hurricane specialist Brian Norcross. And Brian, Danielle is now a tropical storm again.
Yeah, Vivian, yesterday at this time we were talking about how it was on its way to being a major hurricane. And it has had a very bad afternoon, although we do think this is temporary. The National Hurricane Center is still forecasting this to turn into a hurricane, and a significant hurricane, but it has run into a little problem in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. Now, let's take a look at the numbers. These are the 5 o'clock numbers. You see 70-mile-an-hour winds. You see the latitude and longitude still speeding along west-northwest at 18 miles an hour, and that very fast motion is probably part of what is contributing to the problem, but really I think it's fundamentally dry air. You see just under 900 miles to the east of the Lesser Antilles. Now, as far as the future track on Danielle, there's a little bit of a shift here to the west, which really only brings Bermuda into a little more play, even though yesterday we were saying that you folks in Bermuda have got to keep a close eye on this, and when you see the models in a second, you're going to really understand why. But look at the strength of the storm as forecast by the Hurricane Center. You still see a 110-mile-an-hour hurricane heading up into the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. In the long term, the land areas we think that might be threatened are Bermuda and on a possibly, just a slight chance, into the far eastern parts of North America and Canada.